While the entire world is busy battling coronavirus pandemic together, LOC continues to remain a war zone owing to the constant firing and ceasefire violations by Pakistan to push infiltrators into Kashmir. However, the Indian security forces, despite suffering losses, managed to foil all its devious agendas. Recently, proactive Indian defense has successfully eliminated 6 Pakistan-backed terrorists in Kashmir Valley. And it's not a one-off breakthrough, but the forces have been successful in busting all the nefarious anti-India plots hatched in the corridors of Islamabad and Rawalpindi. A report.
Hours of relentless exchange of bullets killed 3 terrorists recently in Kashmir Shopian district. Security forces received a tip-off about terrorists hiding in Melhora area of the district, following which a search and cordon operation was launched that led to a gun battle as terrorists opened fire towards security forces. 3 security personnel also sustained injuries during the operation, who were later admitted to hospital. Moreover, Indian security forces also recovered a huge amount of arms and ammunition from the site of encounter. Earlier, in another incident, Indian security forces neutralized 3 terrorists in South Kashmir's Kulgam district during a joint operation. Meanwhile, Pakistan Army has shamelessly continued its unprovoked ceasefire violations along the line of control despite the global lockdown due to coronavirus crisis. There have been several incidents of cross-border firing by Pakistan over the past month, leading to injuries and deaths of both civilians and soldiers. This week too, Pakistan launched unprovoked rounds of ceasefire violation by firing artillery guns and intense shelling along the LOC in Poonch district, targeting residential areas during the holy month of Ramadan. Civilians living in the targeted areas say that they are already living in fear due to the coronavirus pandemic, and this continuous firing from Pakistan's side has made their life more miserable.
पाकिस्तान की तरफ से आज किरनी कस्बा में रहता हूँ मैं, बहुत ज़्यादा फायरिंग हुई है, फायरिंग हुई है। ये आए दिन ये फायरिंग होती रहती है, लोग बहुत डरे हुए हैं। तो हम चाहते हैं कि ये रमज़ान के महीने में कम से कम ये फायरिंग बंद हो। बहुत ज़्यादा फायरिंग हो रही है, लोग डरे हुए हैं।
The world is fighting the COVID-19 outbreak with all available resources, and Pakistan is focused on pushing in terrorists through constant infiltration attempts in Jammu and Kashmir. There has been an unusual spike in ceasefire violations at the line of control these days, which is nothing but Pakistan's cheap tactics to divert world's attention and hide its incompetence at handling coronavirus spread.
Whenever we have seen, internal crisis comes up, they try to divert attention mainly towards India, Kashmir, but centric policy they would adopt. They'll increase militant activities in the region, and try to build up, within the country, there's a greater threat coming from India. Need is to unite and try to divert their attention from employment or development towards India. They have been doing it.
Pakistan has continued to target Indian assets not just militaristically but also technologically. According to several media reports, Pakistan, in order to steal Indian data, created a fake mobile app replicating Arogya Setu, the healthcare application released by the Indian government that lets a user know if a COVID-19 patient is in the vicinity. However, Indian intelligence agencies have successfully thwarted all its devious tricks of exporting terrorism to India. Pakistan's reported coronavirus cases have climbed to 15,525 with more than 343 deaths, but Pakistan is continuing with its old malicious agendas of harming India. Pakistan Army generals who are at the helm of forming policies against India must realize at this point that all their strategies have proven to be counterproductive. It is in their interest if they stop hatching anti-India plots and focus on the welfare of their people.